Guys, we got another mini fridge rolling out of shop today. This time it's going to my man Jeremy. Now Jeremy is the local LSLT engine tuner, big GM guy. He's the guy who tunes all my hot rods and helps me win a lot of races. Or now I'm thinking about it, I've been losing a lot recently. This may have been a bad idea, but we got him hooked up with this mini fridge, so let's check it out, guys. On our off-road package, this is the second mini fridge we've ever done on the off-road package. Most of them are casters. Guys, we'll build them however you want them. On this setup, he did get some upgraded wheels, got the red wheels. Those look slick on any fridge. On the front here, we did do a stainless steel shelf. Still got your paper towel utensil holder in there as well. Now, we'll open up the smoke chamber. So guys, the mini fridge is basically a 2 foot by 2 foot smoke chamber. 3 sliding trays in here. Now this is a reverse flow pit, so we got 2 removable trays in the bottom that directs the heat across and then back out of the stack. 6 briskets, 6 pork buckets in there, no problem. You probably do a couple more than that. All 1/4 inch plate steel. Of course, we got the stainless steel logo on the side there. Come around to the firebox, guys. Standard firebox here, all 1/4 inch plate, of course, with the built-in griddle top. Now we got a grease drain back here in the back, drains the grease all the way down to the bottom. We'll open it up here. Got your fire management cradle, and then ash clean out the bottom, makes for easy cleanup. D-ring tie downs on all 4 corners, makes it easy to strap down on a trailer. So guys, that is my man Jeremy's mini fridge rolling out. So y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.